How to turn off iMessage on iPhone. To turn off iMessage on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open the settings on your iPhone. Here, you can access all the primary settings on your iPhone. Then, you have to scroll all the way to the end and tap on Apps. Here, you will be able to manage all the default applications on your iPhone. Now, scroll down to the Messages application and tap on it. Then, scroll down a bit. Go to the iMessage option and toggle off the option. Now, you won't be able to send messages between Apple devices. You can also turn this on from here whenever you need it in the near future. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off iMessage on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.